Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Data Recovery Advisor. If you think you have lost your Google contacts due to accidental deletion, I'm here to walk you through how to recover deleted Google contacts. Whether you're using an Android, iPhone, or a computer, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started with how to recover Google contacts on Android. Open the Google Contacts app. On the left-hand side, tap on Organize. Select Bin from the menu. Here, you'll see your recently deleted Google contacts. To restore, long press the contact, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and tap Recover. That's it. Your deleted Google contact will be restored back to your contact list. If you're on a computer, here's how to get back your Gmail contacts. Log into your Gmail account. Click on the Google Apps icon and open Contacts. From the left-hand menu, click on Bin. Hover over the contacts you want to restore, then click Recover. Note, this method works only if you're using Google Sync. Idle if your contacts disappeared after syncing across devices. If you're using an iPhone and your contacts were synced with your Google account, open Google tab, tap on your profile icon, select Manage your Google account. Go to the People and Sharing section. Here, you'll find Link to Contacts. Open the main menu and select Trash. Choose the contacts you want to recover and tap Restore. That's it. No matter the device, there's a way to recover your deleted Google contacts. If it's been over 30 days since your contacts were deleted, unfortunately, Google permanently removes them from the trash. So recovery is impossible after that window. Losing contacts can be frustrating. Here are some easy tips to keep your contacts safe and recoverable in the future. Always check trash within 30 days. Make sure Google Contact Sync is turned on in your device settings so everything stays backed up. And just to be extra safe, export your contacts regularly for offline backup. You can choose vCard or Google's CSV format to export. It's a great habit that can save you from future headaches. Can you retrieve deleted Google contacts? Yes, within 30 days using the Google Contacts trash on any device. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to restore deleted Google contacts. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our data recovery tips. Thanks for watching Data Recovery Advisor. See you in the next video.